IRS Form 1040 SR is the U.S. tax return for seniors. It is available to taxpayers who are 65 or older as of the end of the tax year. It covers the same income, deductions, and credits as Form 1040, but uses a larger font and includes a standard deduction chart on the face of the form, so seniors can quickly see the deduction amount without looking up a separate table. The income section works the same as Form 1040. Enter wages, taxable interest, ordinary dividends, retirement distributions, Social Security benefits, and any other income on the designated lines. If you receive a pension or annuity, use the IRS Simplified Method worksheet to determine the taxable portion. Social Security is only partially taxable depending on your total income. Choose between taking the standard deduction or itemizing. The standard deduction for seniors is higher than for younger taxpayers. If you are 65 or older and blind, you receive an additional deduction on top of the base amount. The standard deduction chart printed on Form 1040 SR shows the exact amounts for your filing status and age. Attach any required schedules and forms. Common attachments include Schedule B for interest and dividends over $1,500, Schedule D for capital gains, and Form 8606 for IRA distributions. Sign and date the return before mailing or e-filing. Fill yours out free at FormsPal.com. This is general information, not tax advice.